Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm a licensed esthetician and my channel is dedicated to bringing you everything I have learned about skincare, ingredient knowledge, and my tips and tricks so that you can treat your skin at home. I honestly think everybody's dream skin is within reach, and I love bringing you my favorite tips that I've learned along the way that I tell my clients in office, or if I have virtual clients, how I tell them to use their products to get even better results. And that's what today's video is all about, is my 3 biggest tips on getting your products to work better. What's really great is these 3 tips are for anybody. So no matter if you are struggling with clearing skin of blemishes, clogged pores, hyperpigmentation, whether you're brand new to skincare or you are a veteran in your skincare journey, no matter your age, no matter what, these 3 tips are going to work for everybody. As we know, exfoliation is key. No matter what your skin type is, if you have acne, if you have super dry skin, if you have rosacea, if you're super oily, no matter what your skin type is or your skin condition, you have to exfoliate. And by exfoliate, I mean an actual exfoliant, a light acid, or even a physical exfoliant. A lot of people think like, oh, I use a retinol and that's enough. It is not. We want a dedicated product for exfoliation. Exfoliation is so important because these acids or even these types of scrubs, they go in, they immediately clear off surface debris, dead skin. They immediately help to work on clearing pores and brightening the overall complexion. But what's even more important is that these products, they whisk away that dead skin layer, as well as break up the bonds that hold dead skin together, even the dead skin that's lodged deep in the pores. When that is all whisked away, it not only leaves your skin more vibrant and radiant, but then your skincare products, the heavy hitters, the big guns, can then be applied on top and they will be able to penetrate deeper and do an even better job. So when it comes to getting your products to work better, you want to think exfoliation and you want to make sure you're doing it routinely. These are my top 3 exfoliants that I love recommending for any and all skin types. And the first one is going to be the hydropeptide. This is their liquid resurfacing solution. I personally prefer a very light acid daily, no matter your skin type, to really reveal more radiant skin. So why I love this one is the ingredients in it really allow it to be used more often. Some people can even use this one quick layer once a day or up to 4 times a week if you're a little more sensitive. Of course, I always love products that do a little bit more. So this isn't only exfoliating, but this actually helps protect against oxidative damage. It does have some key antioxidants. This also is really great for stimulating collagen production. The main acid in this is a 2% salicylic acid, which, as we know, is going to be great for clearing pores, helping keep blemishes away, the skin clear. Don't let that 2% salicylic scare you because it is mixed in with really great ingredients for calming and hydration. It also has Korean mugwort, which helps to brighten the skin. It's gonna reveal such a radiant complexion when you use this routinely. A lot of my favorite exfoliants actually do come from hydropeptide. My other personal favorite one that I use myself is the hydropeptide 5 times power peel pads. I've definitely talked about these on my channel before because I love them. They come in little towelettes. They're great for travel. I like putting one like in my gym bag, carrying one in my purse, like whenever you just need to wipe off and refresh. These are perfect, and they're perfect for even the most sensitive clients that I have can use these daily with no issues. And when we are wanting to have clear, bright skin and wanting to have all of our products penetrate more properly, we need to exfoliate more often. And these are perfect for addressing that issue. These also contain aloe, so while we are whisking away dead skin cells, we are calming, we are providing anti-inflammatory, redness reduction. These also have a mushroom extract, which again break up those dead skin cells that can become kind of glued into the pores, breaks them up so your pores are going to be more refined with continued use. These also have a really unique peptide to hydropeptide that actually help to mitigate redness. They allow for anti-inflammatory properties within the skin, and it actually has the ability to boost your overall sensitivity threshold. So if you are somebody who's easily sensitized and red, using these regularly with all of your other skincare products will actually help you be able to use your other products with less redness and less irritation, so that again, all your products are working even better. Okay, I had to turn my air conditioner up. I was a little hot. Okay, next product, that last one was the hydropeptide wipes. Again, amazing for sensitive skin, one of my personal favorites. And then the next one is so amazing if you're somebody also with like pigmentation, wrinkles, as well as I really like this one for oily skin because it's so lightweight and it's so nice. And this is also for somebody too who doesn't want to commit to every day. This is a great one for 1 to 3 times a week. This is the Truth Treatments AHA Energizing Exfoliant, and it's so different than like any other exfoliants we use because of the active ingredients. This is created and formulated with fulvic and colloidal minerals, which stimulate our skin cells as well as increase fibroblast activity. Colloidal and fulvic minerals are also great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Also is a powerful antioxidant while also helping to protect our skin, such as oxidative damage and pollution. This also is mixed with glycolic acid, which is an AHA or alpha hydroxy acid from sugarcane. Just a chemical exfoliant that again is going to like revive and refresh the skin. It's going to clear out pores. It's going to help with texture and fine lines. What I especially really like about the AHA is this also has malic acid, which is just a type of acid that's derived from fruit, typically apples. Great at breaking down those desmoidal skin bonds between our epidermal skin cells, speeding up cellular turnover. So overall, your skin is going to look healthier. Number 1 was to properly exfoliate and do it routinely. And I hope one of those 3 exfoliants was helpful on which one you should be adding into your routine or try next. Tip number 2 is having a great at-home device. Now, not all at-home devices are worth it or even needed, but these are my tried and true that I honestly, for the most part, recommend for everybody. I don't have mine with me, so I had to bring this. I actually left mine at work. Long story. I was supposed to take this at work, but anyway, this is the Epic Skin Tool. Why I love this is because anybody can use it. You use it every day, and you can even use it with like products we don't carry that may or may not work that well. What I mean by that is this has the ability to increase the absorption of all of your other products by like 30%. So no matter what you use on top with this product or use in conjunction with, these products who may or may not have a delivery system can then penetrate deeper, meaning that they're gonna work better. This is also great because it's going to stimulate the skin. It's going to give a really gentle massage, and when we massage our skin, we're bringing blood flow and oxygen to that area, and this blood contains nutrients, and it just feels so good, so easy to use. And honestly, out of all the devices we carry, it is probably my personal favorite for everybody because it's easy. There is like no learning curve. You just gently roll whatever direction you want to. You can use it once a day or a few times a week, whatever you feel like fits into your schedule, and it just makes you look better. So I personally love this. So I personally love the Epic Skin Tool. And then my second favorite is the Time Master Pro. And I'll link, I actually have dedicated videos on both of these because I love them so much. So I'll link it below for a more in-depth how to use. But the Time Master Pro is legendary. I actually, because of this, in my practice, I got an ultrasound anti-aging machine because I love this product so much. And you can basically do everything I'm doing with lifting and firming and tightening at home with this. So this is great. Again, it's ultrasound, so we wouldn't want to use this if you have any type of like metal implants in your face. If you can use this, wow. The firming and lifting, especially in nasolabial folds, plumping, like where we start to lose the apple cheeks, this helps to plump that back up. I love this for fine lines and wrinkles. Again, you are just getting one of the best at-home treatments that people come in office to pay for, and now you can do it at home. This utilizes 90,000 vibrations per second. It is the best at-home ultrasound device on the market, the best. It enhances cellular metabolism, meaning it alone is also going to help keep pores clean, clear, tight. It's going to detox the skin. Promotes blood circulation, increases oxygen to the cells, meaning you're going to be healthier, skin's more vibrant. And of course, most importantly, it stimulates collagen production. We are losing collagen every second of the day, and the way we replace it is by utilizing devices and topical products. And this is, again, such an investment, but when I tell you, you will see results when you use this consistently, you will. Again, one of the best at home. So, you're using your topicals, you need a little lift, you can't go to an esthetician or to your dermatologist every week for a skin treatment. What do? You want your products to work better. You get the Time Master Pro or the Epic Skin Tool, and you will see that your products are going to absorb deeper and your products are going to work better. The stimulation of blood flow to the skin needs to be studied. I'm sure it has. But my point is what these devices can do with the overall health of your skin, you will notice. My third tip for getting your products to work better is a customized skincare consult. Whether it be with me, I do them virtually, or with somebody in office locally to you that can look at your skin, study your skin, know your behaviors, know exactly what products are going to benefit you and your routine so that you can get the best results. Incorporating pro recommendations. I mean, I have done thousands upon thousands of hours of studying with different skincare brands, as well as learning all about the skin. I probably can ask you 10 questions and I know like an exact formula to treat your skin. And it takes the guesswork out of everything. And this is a consult that you can look back on over the years, because I mean, skin may change a little bit regarding like dryness, pigment, what we're looking at, but for the most part, these products are going to be recommended to you for forever. What's one great thing about a skincare consult with me, I know every product like the back of my hand. I couldn't tell you like probably what my anniversary is at the moment, but I can tell you what main ingredients are in majority of all the skincare we carry. But one thing that I love about my consults, and that's why I created the consult, is a lot of people say, oh my gosh, I think it's $200 for a virtual consult, but when you get a dedicated skincare routine, you also need to follow up with in-office treatments. I recommend everybody to get 2 to 3 a year. Even if you've seen me in person, I've said that to you. You only need to see me 2 to 3 times a year. Do I want to see you more? Absolutely. Can I see you more? Of course. But for me, 2 to 3 times a year is all you truly need if you're using a customized routine at home. So what I love about my consult is that when you do a consult with me, I also give this to you. It's a part of your consult. This is basically the cost of the consult. It's 3 treatments. Like, this is a professional treatment. We go over how to use this. This is something I do in office that now you can do at home. And this, if you did this in office, this would be $300. So you get this free with your $200 consult with me. So basically you are getting 3 facials to do on yourself at home, plus a customized routine that I do based on your skin type and needs. So you're basically getting the consult for free plus a facial. But honestly, that's what you need to do to get the best results from your at-home routine, is 2 to 3 in-office visits a year, and making sure you're actually using products that are fitting your skin types, its sensitivities, its allergies, you know, the texture you like, the exfoliating properly, you know, every little thing counts when it comes to getting your best skin, and I want you to get those results. So these are my 3 tips. Exfoliate routinely, invest in a at-home device that is specific to your needs and that helps with penetration of other products, and then seeing somebody in office 2 to 3 times a year and making sure you're on a program that a professional has studied your skin, what it needs, what you want to treat, and making sure you do it consistently. With all of those 3 things, you are going to have your products work way better. You're going to get the results you want, and you're going to be consistent, because when we see results, we stick to it. So I hope these 3 tips were helpful, and let me know below if you have any questions. I'll also link my skincare consult if you are interested for a customized routine. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.